Ka Shillong College Higher Secondary School ka khot invite application na kabanta ki eligible candidate na kabanta ka post contractual basis ka post kalong kumni ka post assistant lecturer ka essential qualification ki dapat pendap ya ka MSc in environmental science with B.Ed ka age limit as per state government notification ka salary kan long Rp4,000 shibanai ki interest candidate but ki balong eligible ha ka tega post kin penpo ya ki application form ki jong ki ha school office hashwa ka arpun router ki jong upanai agos arajar pusan but kin submit ringkat ya ka non refundable application fees ka basan sepateng ka in cash at the office of the principal Shillong College Higher Secondary School Education Shillong.